What's up, trumpet fam? Now look, I haven't posted in a while and I was teaching some lessons and I thought, what would be something that I could post, and it is going to be this. So if you're struggling with articulation on the trumpet, you definitely have a few different options that you can work on. Tu, ta, do, da, la, gu, ka, can, ka-tung, and all these sorts of different things. There's about 13 or 14 different articulations. But why isn't my articulation working? Well, let's troubleshoot it together. Number one, the aperture is too open. The air's moving too slowly. So if you're playing 1 to 4 bars at this BPM, you're running out of air. The aperture's too open. Now, if that's not the issue, it must be and can only be that the tongue is stopping the air too much. So if you're playing like this, your tongue's starting and tongue stopping it. So you don't want to do that. You want to be able to have the air go. So think of a faucet, or in Australia we think of taps. The water's running, you want the air to just be interrupted by it. Or so continual flow of air. Now, if that's the problem, what you want to do is this: blow through the air. Then thinking forwards, looking forwards. So do the air. Then work it in different sorts of keys. So really with articulation, there can only be a few reasons. The aperture's too large and the tongue or the speed of the air isn't consistent. That can also happen when the tongue's moving too far. Then number two, the air isn't consistently moving. So if you're double tonguing and the air or the sound's breaking up, it's because you don't have a consistent airflow. So the air's consistently moving. Because people had articulation back in the 1800s. We don't need these little adaptions that go on the mouthpiece where you're blowing and there's little fans spinning around, or you got little straws in the side with little fans. I mean, they didn't have it back in the 1800s. People were playing fine back then. So if this tip helped you, follow my page for more tips, and we're going to try and get some more clarity on brass education around the world. Have a fantastic weekend. Catch you on the next one.